Insects and bugs. Ant. Ants live in big families called colonies. They can lift objects 50 times heavier than their body. Ants talk to each other using their antennae. Some ants farm tiny insects like aphids for food. Ants can survive underwater for several minutes by holding air bubbles. Bee. Bees make honey to feed their colony. They help flowers grow by spreading pollen. A bee flaps its wings about 200 times per second. Bees have 5 eyes. They communicate by dancing. Ladybug. Ladybugs are also called ladybirds. Their red color warns predators. They can eat 5,000 aphids in their lifetime. Ladybugs can fly up to 15 miles per hour. They play dead when in danger. Butterfly. Butterflies taste with their feet. They start as caterpillars before becoming butterflies. They drink nectar from flowers. Their wings are covered with tiny scales. Some butterflies migrate thousands of miles. Caterpillar. Caterpillars eat a lot to grow big. They have 12 eyes but see only light and dark. They spin cocoons to become butterflies or moths. Some caterpillars can squirt poison to scare predators. They have tiny hair-like structures on their bodies. Cockroach. Cockroaches have been around since dinosaurs. They can live weeks without food. They sense danger with their antennae. Cockroaches can run very fast, up to 3 miles per hour. They can survive without their heads for several days. Beetle. Beetles have hard shells. There are more beetle species than any other insect. Beetles come in many colors and sizes. Some beetles can make a hissing sound. Ladybugs are a type of beetle. Fly. Flies have super fast reflexes. They can walk on walls and ceilings. Their eyes can see almost everything around them. A fly's tongue is sponge-like to drink liquids. They can taste food with their feet. Mosquito. Only female mosquitoes bite. Mosquitoes smell humans from far away. They buzz because of fast flapping wings. Mosquito larvae live in water. Some mosquitoes can transmit diseases. Firefly. Fireflies glow in the dark. They flash to communicate with each other. Fireflies don't get hot when glowing. Their light can attract mates. They are mostly active at night. Worm. Worms help plants grow by improving soil. They don't have eyes or ears. Worms breathe through their skin. They have segments along their body. Worms can regrow lost parts. Spider. Spiders have 8 legs. They spin webs from silk. Spiders eat insects. Some spiders jump to catch prey. Their venom helps them digest food. Wasp. Wasps can sting multiple times. They build nests from chewed wood. Wasps help control insect population. Some wasps are social, some are solitary. They feed on nectar and other insects. Dragonfly. Dragonflies can fly in all directions. They have amazing eyesight. Dragonflies eat mosquitoes and small bugs. They have two pairs of wings. Dragonflies can live in water as nymphs. Termite. Termites live in large colonies. They eat wood and plant material. Termites recycle dead trees. Some termites build huge mounds. Soldier termites protect their colony. Cricket. Crickets chirp by rubbing wings together. They can jump high. Crickets are nocturnal. Some crickets can live in cold climates. Their chirps tell the temperature. Moth. Moths are mostly nocturnal. Some moths mimic other animals to scare predators. They drink nectar like butterflies. Moths have feathery or thread-like antennae. Some moth species have amazing camouflage. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers can jump 20 times their body length. They make sounds by rubbing legs on wings. Grasshoppers eat green leaves. They can fly short distances. Grasshoppers have strong hind legs for jumping. Praying mantis. Praying mantises have front legs that fold like prayer. They are expert hunters. They can turn their heads to look around. Some species can catch birds and small frogs. Mantises blend into plants to hide from predators. Stink bug. Stink bugs release a smell to scare enemies. They can fly short distances. Their shape looks like a shield. Stink bug drinks plant juices. They can survive in different climates. Mayfly. Adult mayflies live only one day. They are a sign of clean water. Mayflies have long, delicate tails. They don't eat as adults. Mayflies are food for fish. Cicada. Cicadas make loud buzzing sounds. Some live underground for 17 years. They feed on plant sap. Cicadas shed their skin as they grow. Their sound helps them attract mates. Leafhopper. Leafhoppers are tiny but jump very high. They drink plant juice. Leafhoppers come in bright colors. They can spread plant diseases. They have strong hind legs for jumping. Hornet. Hornets are bigger than wasps. They live in paper-like nests. Hornets can sting repeatedly. They eat insects and fruits. Hornets protect their colony fiercely. Earwig. Earwigs have pincers on their back. They are mostly nocturnal. Earwigs hide in cool, dark places. They eat decaying plants and insects. Some earwigs can fly. Glowworm. Glowworm glow to attract prey. They live in caves and dark forests. Glowworms use bioluminescence. They spin silk threads to catch insects. Glowworms are harmless to humans. Weevil. Weevils have long snouts. They eat grains and seeds. There are thousands of weevil species. Some weevils can fly. Weevils are tiny but strong. Goliath beetle. Goliath beetles are one of the largest insects. They can weigh as much as a small bird. Goliath beetles can fly. They live in Africa. Their larvae eat plants and fruits. Atlas moth. Atlas moths have wings shaped like snake's head. They don't eat as adults. Their wings can be bigger than a human hand. They live in tropical forests. Atlas moths are strong flyers. Stick insect. Stick insects look like twigs or branches. They stay very still to hide from predators. Some can regrow lost legs. They eat leaves. They can live for months without moving. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.